Greetings and welcome to another episode of the Planetary Persuader. I'm Kozmic Kev, your host, and this is the episode for Friday the 3rd of June, Saturday the 4th of June, all the way through the 10th of June. Now, this is what's happened, folks. The sun's in Gemini. We had a new moon Wednesday evening. That moon had a solar eclipse. That means there was a new moon that was passing the axis of where the moon is at. These are significant times. Now, suppose you're someone who's rocking, like a birthday around, say, June 14th, 15th. Oh, goodness gracious. We have a full moon happening at 1:14 p.m. on the 15th. So that's still over a week away. But things are building between eclipses, and that eclipse is going to be right on. It's going to be dead center, folks. It's a lunar eclipse. So, what I'd say is the way we communicate, the way we represent ourselves on a world scale, that's something that's going to be in the headlines, it's something that's going to be in the news, it's something to look about. And on Gemini's key phrase is I communicate. So right now we've got the sun. Okay, here's the sun in Gemini. The moon today is in Cancer, and a very fertile moon. You know, this is the best weekend for getting in the garden, folks. I mean, this is the time to plant all your warm weather stuff, your tomatoes, your melons, your squash, everything. It should be cleared out from here. But you never know, right? There's a lot of ash in the sky. There's been a lot of hotter than usual temperatures in years previous, so things suddenly get cooler. Who's to know? Right? Okay. So one thing that happened was we have Mercury is in Gemini, so our communication should be relatively good right now. Venus is still in Taurus, and it's going to stay there until Thursday, and then on Thursday it's going into Gemini. So Thursday morning we'll have Venus in Gemini. So, but you know, in the meanwhile, we can enjoy looking at it right over there. So, Jupiter is also switching places. So we have Jupiter is now in Taurus, and that's going to bring a certain wealth to it. That's going to bring a certain sense of prosperity and satisfaction to people. And it's a good thing. We could all use a little bit of prosperity and a little bit of satisfaction. Lord only knows, right? So remembering that Gemini's key phrase is I communicate. Taurus's key phrase is I have. We still got Mars in Taurus. Remember now, Mars in Taurus is a bridge builder. Now Neptune is in Pisces along with Chiron. We got to heal ourselves as we heal the planet. And North Node Sad starting out with the Cancer moon, ending up this week with a moon in Libra. So let's just sit back as we enjoy the sign-by-sign forecasts here with a Planetary Persuader.